so it's going to be very fast. Ejo, parents, please listen to your children whenever they want to talk to you. Don't call them up, don't call them short. Listen, have a conversation with your children almost every night. What did you do today? What did you do? What did you see? What did you hang out with? What happened to you at school? What happened to you at work? Have conversation with your children. Make it easy for them to talk to you. Make it easy. It's not every time you have to be strict. It is not. Make it easy for your children to talk to you. On your money there. Ejo, toriola. Ejo, pay attention to your children. Pay attention to your children. When they want to talk to you, don't cut them short. Don't send them away. Don't send them to friends that will teach them what is wrong. Don't send them to friends that will tell them, do this, do that. And at the end of the day, it will ruin their life. Pay attention to your children. Not until when it is late. Mom was, who did try to buy me sorrow? I wish if I had known. Save yourself the stress of if I had known or had I known. Save yourself the stress. Listen to your children. Watch your money. Maybe when you do, you would understand what I'm talking about. Watch your money. Make sure you watch your money. It's not all the time we go to the cinemas to just laugh. Please. Sometimes we go to cinemas to learn, to see what is happening.